Hello everyone, we are back with the weekly market updates. I'm Shouraya Khadgawat. This week was full of important events, both global and domestic. But first, let's see what markets have done throughout the week through the movements in the major indices. So throughout the week, Bank Nifty and Nifty, both indexes were more or less stable and traded in a limited range, whereas small cap and mid cap have recovered at least 1/4 of the losses what they have incurred in the previous week. Now see how sectors have performed throughout the week. The sector which has come on the top of the list was metal. It has gained 6% of gains, followed by construction, which has clocked 5% of gains, and followed by automobiles, which have gained 4% of gains. The worst performing sector throughout the week was IT, which has clocked the negative returns of almost 4%. Now let's talk about the institutional activities. DIs were net buyer throughout the week and they have pumped in money almost to the amount of 15,000 crores, whereas FIs are again the net sellers and they have sold around 5,000 crores. Now let's talk about the global events. The most awaited decision of the Fed meeting have come this week, where Jerome Powell have kept the interest rate unchanged and also have given a very dovish commentary where he has said that they are going to do at least 3 rate cuts for this year. In an historical event, Bank of Japan have finally come into the positive interest rates and they have, for the first time in 17 years, raised their interest rates from -0.1 to +0.1. All the 3 indexes of US markets, that is including Dow, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they all 3 have touched new high in this week. Now let's talk about the commodities. Gold have touched a new high and it has touched almost the level of 66,000 rupees, whereas silver have clocked the negative returns for 1.5%, but crude oil, the volatile commodity, which has gone to the level of 87 the previous week, has cooled off and come down to $84 now. Now let's talk about the important domestic event. The Election Commission of India have announced the most eagerly awaited schedule for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The elections are going to commence from April 19th. Also, the Election Commission have uploaded all the data regarding the electoral bonds, recipients and the donor list. In another event, SEBI has announced that they are going to start a beta test for the T+0 delivery settlement from 28th of March. Now let's see some of the stocks which have been in the news for the week. Firstly, the TCS have received a multi-billion-dollar deal from a Denmark-based company named Rambol. In another event, Arvinel have got an order of 339 crores from Maharashtra Metro Rail. In another news, Jansol Engineering have completed a 10.2 megawatt project for Madhya Pradesh government and also have secured a 520 crores project. In an order, Income Tax Department have raised a fine of 103 crores rupees against Tata Chemicals. That is it for the week. We'll come back with the more updates next week. Till then, stay tuned and wish you all a very happy Holi. Thank you so much.